Hey, all you cool cats and kittens, let's go ahead and get started today. So, I was going to send out an email discussing this. However, I figured I'd just record it. It might be a little bit easier to explain. So, the reason that we submit our assignments on turnitin.com is because I can add comments like so. Okay? And when I do that, you can go back in and see what that comment says, and I can put it wherever I need to put it. Also, it scans the entire database for plagiarism. So the reason that we're going to use Turnitin, or the reason that we use Turnitin, because it's very, very effective. Now, a concern of that was, well, the plagiarism percentage is going to be high because we're all turning in the same type of material. Yes, but as you see here with this red highlight, it's highlighting what is actually being flagged. So the only thing that should be highlighted is the template that I submit. So as you see here, everyone is going to have this same top part here, but the name is going to be different. Okay, the title for the section, everyone's going to have the same, so that percentage is going to be highlighted. Yet as you see here, his answer is not highlighted, and so therefore that tells me, in this case it's Jaden. Jaden has made an original response to this question. Same concept here. So if bits and pieces of the response are highlighted, that's okay. As we see here, we have a name of a character, all that's fine. Or something where it may ask you to find a specific line number and explain that quote, or provide the quote. That'll obviously get flagged if everyone's finding that same number, which is fine. Point being, there's been a large increase in the amount of flagged plagiarism work that's popping up in the 98, 99, even 100 percentile, which tells me that we're just copying and pasting each other's answers, finding the source online that everyone is using it, and we may not be learning the material. So this is what's going to happen. So we're going to kind of let this be the warning shot across the bow for everyone. The only thing that can be flagged as plagiarism from this moment forward is anything that I provide the template for. Your answers must be original. So as Jaden has here, all original response. Okay? You're all going to answer the same question. You're going to answer it in different ways. It is going to be physically impossible for every single person to have the same exact answer, with you not communicating with someone, with you being in a different room or a different house, right? It's impossible for everyone to have the same answer. However, we can look at an even better example of that category here. On assignment 10, you had to create a original sentence using the vocabulary term. The term is the same, the definition is the same, yet as you see, 0%. This means that every single one of us actually have a unique original sentence. Everyone has a sentence using the word, right? But not every single person has or we're not copying and pasting here. So that plagiarism percentage is still low. Nothing's being flagged. It is possible to talk about the same thing without doing it the exact same way. Right? So there are no flags here. Everything is original and unique. Okay? So, recap, from here on out, any assignments that are submitted on Turnitin.com, the plagiarism number, that similarity percentage, does not matter. Okay? 62%. That's because 62% of the work that was on that document was the part of the template. See, the problem is when we get into these 100 percentile, 88 percentile, 85 percentile responses where your answers are being flagged. The only thing that can be flagged from these documents is my questions and then obviously the top title slide. But your response to these questions should not be flagged. Okay, so this highlighted part is what is being flagged for plagiarism, with the different colors representing a different source. But as we see, it is just the questions that are being highlighted, with the exception of common words and character names, which is fine. So again, from here on out, this is the warning. No harm, no foul. No deans will be contacted regarding any instances thus far. But from here on out, we're going to go with a zero plagiarism policy, meaning that if your answers are flagged as copied and pasted, or copied from another student, or whatever it may be, to where it is highlighted red like the question is, then we're going to have a serious problem, and we may have to get the deans involved to figure out a solution. All right, if you have any questions regarding any of this, you can email me and we'll kind of talk it out. But I figured if I made the video and posted it, it'd be a whole lot easier than you just reading the document. You can see what it is that I'm talking about. So hopefully this helped kind of clear up a little bit any confusion that you may have had. But like I said, if you have any questions, just shoot me an email and I'll be happy to help. All right, y'all stay safe. Take care.